Hey, what is up, guys? So I thought I'd do a little update video since I can finally drive the Z. And I started yesterday. Oh, autofocus. I started yesterday by driving it to Bellevue for a car show. I'll just say Seattle. I drove it to Seattle for Stance Wars, and it's about a hour drive for me. And it actually did pretty good. The only sketchy parts were there was some traffic, and as long as I kept the idle up a little high, it did fine. That seems to be my only problem right now is just idling. I'm gonna have to figure that out. The screen for my EZFI is being weird, so I don't know what that's about. I'm gonna have to check it out. But yeah, I'll show you the car. All right, this is how it sits right now. Just looking good. Still need to be careful driving over things, curbs and driveways, because the front lip it's already kind of cracked. See that it's got some battle scars on it. Might just have to buy a new one, but yeah, it's not too bad. It has no problem driving whatsoever. I was hauling ass on the freeway. No problem at all. It's just, again, like I said, it's just my idle. But I'll show you under the hood all what I got. Oh yeah, my Brute Fab muffler. This thing's amazing. Straight pipe all the way back. It's a 6-to-1 header. But oh yeah, there we go. Put that straight. Nardy wheel. Then my special little. Can I focus on that? Let me see. Special little shifter. Yeah. Let's keep it in first gear so it doesn't roll around. But I keep the screen for my EZFI in my glove box. It's hiding in there. The sun is absolutely nuts, but yeah, I just keep the screen in there. I have the EFI stuff mounted right there, and then the wires are kind of tucked in there. They're not that good. I need to do something with the green wire, and that shiny thing right there is my blinker relay that I have to put back up there. And then I still have to put my my dash back together because I have it slid out because I had to get down to my transmission tunnel. But pop the hood. All right, this is my intake manifold. I'm kind of wishing I would have used one of the webbed ones because there's actually more fittings at the top for vacuum, since I have to pull extra vacuum lines off now. But yeah, I think next I'm going to work on tidying up these wires and everything for the harness and get that nice. But this is how it sits right now. I got a Aeromotive fuel pressure regulator on there, got a fuel pressure gauge, but everything seems to be running fine when it's actually driving. So as long as I don't stop, I just have to keep my RPMs up, but it's not too bad. I got a Palnet, or this isn't a Palnet fuel rail, it's a different fuel rail. I'm trying to remember what it is and where I got it from, but I don't remember right now. I'll probably link some of the stuff below or do another in detail video on the EZFI. But I just wanted to give a little update on this now. I still have my 4-speed in here. I was going to do my 5-speed, but I was having issues, and it looks like it was just a master cylinder issue. So I'm going to try to get that all figured out. But yeah, I love how it sits right now, although I think I'm going to go just a tad bit lower. I'm either going to go a tad bit lower in the front or bring the back up a little bit, because just how it sits, like my back tire is tucked, but my front tire is flush. So, but I mean, it sits level, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'll have to see. And that's how the car sits right now. If you guys want to know anything else about it, feel free to ask, say something down in the comments. I'm gonna be doing a more in-depth video for the EZFI system. Just what I've dealt with it and what I would have done differently probably. But yeah, and you can stay after this video. I'm gonna do go get coffee, and yeah, I'll record that drive and starting up. And you can hear me try to keep it at idle, which is funny because sometimes when I drive it hard, it'll idle fine afterwards. But who knows? Who knows? I'll figure it out. But you can keep watching the video for that. If you want to check out any of my other stuff, you can find me at Pacific Racer on Instagram, and then I have a Discord also if you want to follow that. And then I do Twitch streams as well. But yeah, remember to give this video a thumbs up, I guess, or if we're still doing that. And yeah, just let me know down in the comments if you want to see anything else. Peace. Idling's just a bit scary sometimes. Sometimes it idles good, other times not. It's my fault. I need to get that figured out. Brakes work really well. Jesus Christ. See if I can parallel park it now. Alright, I made it, no problem. There she is, parallel parked, kind of. Alright, I'm gonna go get my coffee.
I think the girls with their nails done now. Girls with their nails done. I think the girls with their nails done. Girls with their nails done.